Paris is here.
Yep.
Well, this is a hard interview to get.
Yeah.
I think.
Of course it is.
She doesn't stop for everybody on this red carpet.
No,
She does
no,
not.
she does not.
I'm very particular.
I think we're all wondering here. What do you wear? What
Jay,
did you
give us,
wear?
Jay, call us the back. Please
Go
tell
say
us.
Wow.
A Karen original.
And
And a Taryn
the
original.
red. Notice the red.
Very good.
Now, are you just
And
renting it for
this
this evening?
is
Premiere.
yes.
Oh,
premiere.
a
See
premiere.
this?
Yeah.
Our interviews
See
are
how
not.
nicely they go together?
Did you buy the bling or is it on loan?
So, Ellie,
Yeah,
so
see
you
how nice
had,
it goes
you had
together?
front row of the band tonight.
Yeah.
No, I didn't. I had back row.
Oh, you had front. You had
She had
front.
front row. She had front row.
On the back day.
So please tell us, what was your favorite part of this evening?
The music.
What we were interviewing.
Oh, camera. The music. The music. The music was the best part.
And the backup female
Yeah,
dancers.
they were also very good too. They belong on Dancing with the Stars.
Very good.
I
or
think we
great?
have a photo bomber. Security.
Photo bomber.
Security.
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 She wants to come now.
Oh, do you want to get interviewed? Do you need? No, you're getting it.
I think I really need to get interviewed.
Oh, I think
I
that
think
we have
the
the
lead
stars.
singer.
The lead singer's here.
It's
The lead singer. Let's follow. Come on,
you
gang.
please?
I'm too tired to stand up.
Oh, we can. Do you want to
Do you want
sit?
us to like hold you up?
We can hold you.